Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to insert the battery into your SONY ZV-E10 II camera. First of all, let's unlock the battery tray, which is located on the bottom side of the camera. We can open it by moving the toggle towards open button. Now, before we insert the battery, you will see this safety toggle. We're gonna have to move our battery towards it to close it so that we can freely push it inside. Now the battery has to be moved inside with this mark, with this triangle pointing inside your camera, and it also has to be inserted like this. So what we want to do right now is slightly push the toggle with the battery to make the battery go inside, and once it really goes inside, just push it inside until the toggle blocks the battery exit. Then just close the battery tray and lock it like this. Turn it on and test it, and as you can see, the camera works as intended. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.